Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. So we just purchased a new home, so it's going to be done in a few months. So we are at the design center right now. This is our first appointment. It's going to be about 3 hours long. I think it's to pick out some upgrades, and because we already picked some options that we wanted for the house. I think this is mostly going to be for the upgrades. I'm not sure if we could film on the inside, so I'm going to try my best. So you guys might see us when we get out and kind of catch you guys up. So yeah.
Inside the house?
I think it was, yeah.
Start.
Okay, so that's what we're looking at. This is hardwood. 2 hardwoods. So similar. And we're looking at the tile, which we didn't really want too much of a dark one. But this is the cabinets we're thinking of. It's Ember Glaze and Galaxy White. This is going to be really busy as a slab. It's not going to be as subtle as that one. And this is the lighter one. So Dean likes the dark. I like the light. This is super warm. Okay.
I like it. I know it's a little light, but I like it.
So we're kind of looking at this. We do like these warm floors, but it's expensive.
To do tile in the bathroom.
Okay.
And then yeah, same price between those two groups, so you could mix and match them.
Okay. Okay, so it actually went good. I knew we weren't gonna get the flooring through them, but we did have to pick out some other options. So we saw the wood that was like already there. We really like that. So we're gonna try and price match something similar like Home Depot or another floor place. So we're gonna go do that.
Feeling because it's wood,
Okay.
but
so
it's tile. We need tile for kids. We need to go disinfect.
we like
it.
one. That's what it looks like. 214 a square foot, so not bad. Not bad at all. What do you think of the color though?
I like the color.
And here's the one that you liked in the bathroom. That's literally what you liked.
Well, it didn't look like that.
I like that one. It's pretty nice. Tile. We need it super durable. Unless we find a hardwood that we love. This looks good. This looks good, dude.
Looks hella good. It looks so good.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay. So yeah, we like that one. There's so many freaking like vinyls though. Wait, is this tile? That's vinyl. Yeah, vinyl. Super flimsy. Yeah, this is the other one, but it's like really short and looks, I don't know. The other one is super long. Like look how short these are compared to like that one. That one right there. That one, so small right here. So yeah. Oh, glad we found one. It's pretty. Okay. Yeah, I think we found one. Alright. It's gonna be really, really fast. We gotta pick up the kids. You're so sad. Oh, Elijah, bunny. Oh, what's wrong? Is he Spider-Man? Hi, Spider-Man. Maybe. You ready to go bye-bye? Yeah. Let's go to the gym. Come on, let's go to the gym. Okay. Spider-Man. Hey. Okay, so before I go, I know the crock pot's totally dirty. I did cream of chicken with some potatoes in there. And Spider-Man. Okay, so we are at the gym. I'm gonna try my best to film. Usually I do go in the pool. The pool is currently closed right now, so I usually just go on the elliptical. I'm gonna try and get a clip of it. Usually I'll like go on YouTube for a little bit and then I'll find some kind of like online sermon to listen to on YouTube. The hardest part is like getting everybody out of the car. Ian, come inside. We gotta wait for the baby to finish his bottle. Just kidding, we're not going in yet. We're gonna wait for the bottle to finish. Okay, so while we just wait a few minutes, I want to chat with you guys. I'm not sure where I left off with the Home Depot. I don't know if I even talked about the Home Depot thing or not. So at the design center, I had watched other YouTube videos, and I've also heard from my parents because they bought new a couple of times. Already kind of knew we weren't gonna upgrade the floors with them because it would be a little bit expensive, or a lot more expensive, but it was reasonable. It was okay. I think like the highest that they had quoted us was $17,000, and we found like a medium that we were happy with, and that was $10,000 for the entire floor, so that was pretty good still. But we think we could probably do it on our own for about $7,000. And then we went to Home Depot and we did like the planks there. The planks were really wide and long, so that was a good thing. The only thing is my dad ended up texting two guys that has done the floors for him, and they were charging a lot. They said because it's tile wood, because you can get cracks and stuff and it's a little bit harder to install. We're probably looking at $5 a foot for installation. And then the boards that we're looking at was like $214 a square foot. So it's the cost for the materials really good. It's just the labor. We're gonna have to find like a really good guy. So, but we're really confident with that guy, so I think we're gonna go with him. And we're estimating on the high side it would probably come out to like $7,000. We're hoping $7,000 or under is what we will end up paying. Otherwise, we should have just gone with the design center. But we still want to look, because the one at Home Depot, I do feel like it was a little bit lighter than I wanted. I did want more. I didn't want dark, but I wanted like just a neutral. I don't know. I did like the light one. Like I'm pretty sure we will end up going with that one, but we didn't check Lowe's and then a couple other places in the city. So yeah, just wanted to catch you guys up. Okay, so we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, like I said, and yeah, if I need I'll talk to you guys later if I need to update anything. Alright you guys, so we're back at the house. So here's the crock pot chicken. Smells so good. I know the potatoes don't look good, but they are good. Alright, so here is my plate. I got some salad and also got some toast, some chicken, and potatoes. I know it probably doesn't look good, it's all mixed together. Alright you guys, so we are done eating. Dinner was a success. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up the kitchen. I think I'm gonna go ahead and continue the vlog though for tomorrow. Hey guys, so that is going to be the end of my video. I'm going to go ahead and close it out with a mini cleaning sesh. So make sure you guys stop what you're doing and give this video a thumbs up for me. And if you are new, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you can get notifications whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.